So number 5, again, it's just more factoring. X squared plus 6 doesn't factor. There's no GCF, and there's no way, if there's not a minus there and that's not a perfect square, there's no way to do like what we did up here where we had x squared minus 9. There's no way, because if you're going to have opposite signs, that's always going to be a minus. So I know right away that x squared plus 6 doesn't factor. In the denominator, if you see it, again, there's a GCF of 3. 3 goes into all three of these numbers. So I'll pull that out first. X squared plus 2x minus 8. And then that's going to end up being okay, so I'm trying to factor this trinomial right here. So x and x. I'm going to use 4 and 2 to get 8 at the back. And now I want to get my sign so that I add up to get positive 2. So I'm going to have a positive 4 and a negative 2. So when I add 4 and negative 2, I get 2. And when I multiply 4 and negative 2, I get negative 8. Okay, so this first fraction is all factored. Now I'm going to factor the second one. Remember, when you're multiplying, you just multiply straight across. So you can basically make that one long fraction there. X and x. If you notice, this is the exact same thing as this was. So this is going to factor the exact same way that this did. So x plus 4, x minus 2. And I have another x plus 6 down here. Okay, so this cancels and this cancels. And you have to be really careful because x squared plus 6 and x plus 6 look similar, but they are not the same, so they do not cancel. So the answer here is x squared plus 6 over 3 times x plus 6. And the domain restrictions are negative 4, positive 2, negative 6.